Today I want to show you that Relin's Spherical Stabilizer is now available in Premiere Pro. Relin's Spherical Stabilizer allows you to stabilize fisheye and VR 180 to 360 footage while preserving the spherical motion correctly. New in version 2.6, the Spherical Stabilizer controls now appear directly inside Premiere Pro, making the workflow much faster and easier. Here's a short recap in case you use it in other apps. We have a fisheye lens shot, and first I'll switch to source view so we can properly set up the lens. I'll set the lens field of view, image circle radius, and the center position so the lens matches the original footage correctly. Before tracking, I also adjusted the base view vertical framing rotation so that when the footage is projected to rectilinear, it shows more of the action and less sky. Now I'll press track to analyze the motion. If the stabilization result needs refinement, we can open Display Data and manually add or delete keyframes, then apply to regenerate the stabilization streams. A quick note when working with fisheye or VR 180 footage in keyframed stabilization mode. During tracking, we try to place keyframes at important points in the timeline to help avoid drifting outside of the image boundaries, which could reveal black edges or unwanted areas outside the lens. In Graph View, selecting a smooth keyframe will show its position on the timeline. From there, you can add, delete, or move keyframes to improve the stabilization result. Or, if the shot only has smaller vibrations, you can switch to the more traditional stabilization method using the stabilization mode called Moving Average, which is sometimes a better option for subtle motion. And finally, here's the before and after using Relin's Spherical Stabilizer.